Good morning, students. So, few topics I have discussed in my previous video related to the types of motion, and today I am going to discuss some more topics, types of motion. Clear? Yes. Good afternoon. Okay. So now let's just start the class. So I'm going to discuss about the periodic motion. Periodic motion means what? Periodic motion means the motion which repeats itself after a fixed interval of time. This is called as what? Periodic motion. Clear? So the motion which repeats itself after a fixed interval of time, it is called as a what? Periodic motion. And the best example is what? When Earth revolves around the sun. So when Earth revolves around the sun, it takes what? 365 1 by 4 days. So revolution means how you can write? You can write, for example, revolution of Earth around the sun. So example, you can write revolution of Earth around the sun. Around the sun. And it takes what? It takes 365 1 by 4 days. Simply, moon revolves around the earth, then it takes what? Yes, give the time that what days moon takes to revolve around the sun. I have given about the earth. Now you give number of days that moon takes around the what earth. And please write your answer in the comment box. Hmm? Okay, so it takes what? When moon moves around the when moon revolves around the earth, it takes 27.3 days. Okay, now next is yes, yes, Ipshita, very good. You have given correct answer. 27.3 days. 27.3 days it takes. Very nice, Ipshita. Very good. Now, next is periodic motion. Now, next is what? Yes, non-periodic motion. Opposite of periodic motion is what? Non-periodic motion. So, shortcut, no? Non-periodic motion. So what will the definition of non-periodic motion? Just opposite of periodic motion, the motion which do not repeat itself after a fixed interval of time. It is called as what? Non-periodic motion. Yes, very good. Mannat has also given correct answer, 27.3. Yes. So moon takes what? 27.3 days to revolve around the earth. Now, what will be the example of the non-periodic motion? Because it do not repeat itself after a fixed interval of time. So what will be the example? The perfect example and the easy example is motion of molecules in gases or liquids. So in gases and liquids, how the molecules move? Suppose this is the molecule, it move like this. So what? The particles do not repeat its motion after a fixed interval of time. And this kind of motion is called as what? Non-periodic motion. Okay. Now, the next is the mixed motion. Mixed motion means what? Next, I'm going to discuss is the mixed motion. Mixed motion. Mixed motion means suppose this is the wheel. Huh? Okay. So what happened? While moving, first the wheel rotate like this. You must have noticed it. If you have not noticed, then please notice today. Clear? So when wheel moves, it rotates. At the same place, it rotates. So simultaneously, what? Wheels rotate also, and then wheel moves forward. So when it is rotating, means which type of motion is this? Yes, give the answer. When it is rotating, it gives which type of motion it shows? Yes, very good. It shows what? Give the answer, write the answer in the comment box. Mixed motion, yes. Yes, very good. Satakshi. Satakshi has given correct answer, rotation. Yes. So when it moves this way around the fixed axis, it is called as what? Rotatory motion. Means it follow the rotatory motion also. And when it changes its place, means when it moves forward, it follow which motion? Yes, translatory motion also. Clear? So two types of motion is this. Yes, Rishti Mishra, correct. Rotatory motion. Shivani also has given the rotatory motion. Very good. Clear? So rotatory plus translatory motion. Rotatory plus which motion? Translatory. Translatory motion. Okay. So like this, many examples are around you. When you will start seeing, no, you will find many examples there. Like when carpenters saw, you must have seen that when carpenters use its saw, how they use. When they use, it moves what? Up and down also, and it moves translatory also. Clear? So two types of motion there. When you have seen the carpenters using its saw, then two types of motion is there: translatory as well as what? Oscillatory motion. Clear? So this is also the good example of what? Mixed motion. Okay. Now next I'm going to discuss is the uniform motion. Speed. First I'll discuss about the speed. Okay. Now you all are requested to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Clear? Yes. So when you subscribe, I feel very good. I feel happy. And of course, you all also feel good when you get good content. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Make popular this channel among your friends, among your family members. Okay. So now I'm going to discuss is about the speed. What is speed? Speed means what? When a body covers equal distance in unit time, then that is when a body covers certain distance in unit time, then it is called as what? Speed. And that is why the formula of speed is equal to distance divided by time. Yes. What is the formula of speed? So formula of speed is what? Distance by time. So distance means d and time means t. So what will be the unit? Meter per second. And so 1 meter per second will be equal to what? Dash kilometer per hour. Now give the answer. In dash, what will you fill it here? I have discussed this also while teaching first chapter. Okay, so I am waiting for your answer. Yes, very good, very good. Shrishti, very good. Shresti Raj, meter per second, you have written. Very nice. Siddhi has given the correct formula, D by T. Yes, 18 by 5. Sanchaita, Bhavya Sinha, very nice. Very good, Sanchaita. Very good, Bhavya. If Shita has also given correct answer. Mahi has also given correct answer. Very nice. Clear? It means when I teach you, you all really pay attention in the class because things are getting stored in your mind. When you give the correct answer, I come to know that things are getting stored in your mind. And for teacher, this is very good. Clear? It really boosts the confidence that my students are giving the correct answer. The things which the teacher is teaching, it means getting into the mind, getting stored into the mind. Clear? So, very nice. Thank you, girls. So, here, what we will write here? 18. 18 by 5. Clear? And means we can say that 1 meter per second is equal to what? 18 by 5 meter per second. Now, very good. Tanishka is happy. Very good, Tanishka. Raj Nandini has also given the correct answer. Very good, Raj Nandini. And you all please, Rahul Singh has written 12. This is wrong. Rahul Singh, it is wrong. It should be 18 by 15. Yes. Shreya Sinha is happy. Very good, Shreya Sinha. Okay. Very good. PRI, yes, given the correct answer. Okay. So now this is about the speed. Now I'm going to discuss about the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. Uniform motion. Uniform motion means what? When a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is called as what? Uniform motion. Like suppose this is a vehicle. Very nice diagram now and very easy way I have chosen to draw the vehicle. Clear? So this is your vehicle. So when this vehicle moves from here to here, so when what is the definition of uniform motion? When body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Equal distance means what? Suppose the body covers this is 1 meter, then this is also 1 meter, and from here to here means from point A, this is point B, this is point C. So from when it is moving from A to B, it covers 1 meter in suppose what? Take 2 hours. Clear? Then again from here to here when it moves, it also takes what? 1 meter in 2 hours. So this is the example of what? Uniform motion. What will be non-uniform motion? Just opposite of it. When body covers what? Equal distance. Yes, very good. Rahul Singh, I'm happy. Thank you very much, Rahul Singh. It is looking like train. That's good. Oh, but this is just the symbol of the vehicle because when I'll draw the diagram of the vehicle, it will take much time. Okay. Yes. Acha, Rahul Singh. Yeah. Aditi is there. Good. Sancheta. Yes. Equal distance. So there that all about the what uniform motion. Now I'm discussing about what non-uniform motion. Clear. So first let's finish uniform motion. So equal distance in equal interval of time. It is called as uniform motion. Okay. Yes, Vasundhara, very good. Write your own name, Vasundhara, in place of that. It will be easy for me to recognize you. Yes, very good. Nabia is very happy. Oh, thank you very much. But the diagram is not, not a beautiful diagram. But I have used a symbol so that the things become clear to you. And whenever there is a need, you can also draw this symbol for vehicle, isn't it? Okay. So now, let's discuss about the non-uniform motion. Huh? Kritika, thank you very much, Kritika, for this appreciation. I really feel good when you all become happy because always I want to see a good smile on your face. Clear? And good marks in your report card. This is the motto of the teacher and especially mine. That I want to see a smile on your face and good marks in your report card. Isn't it? Okay, so now let's just start this non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion means what? When a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is called as what? Non-uniform motion. Clear? When a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is called as a non-uniform motion. So, for example, like suppose this is the vehicle, different type of vehicle I have made here. I hope you will enjoy. It's good, no? You can also learn how to draw easy diagram, huh? Okay. So unequal distance. Unequal distance means what? I have to make it little bit here far from this. So suppose this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. From here to here, the distance is 1 meter. From here to here, the distance is 5 meter. From here to here, at point A, this vehicle at what time? Suppose 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is 1 hour. Clear? Here at point A, the vehicle was at 9 a.m. Then at 10 a.m., the vehicle was at B. And then 11 a.m., the vehicle was at C. Huh? So what you are seeing here, the time interval is same. Clear? But what about the distance? Distance is different. Distance covered by the vehicle is different. So this type of motion is called as what? Non-uniform motion. Now tell me what one thing. Why this happened? Is there possibility? And if this is possible, if possibility is here, then when this happen? When it covers the equal, means it takes same time, but it is covering what? More distance. When the speed of the vehicle is what? When the speed of the vehicle will be more. So let me see. Please give the answer. Hmm? Here, the vehicle is moving. Time is covering, time covered by the vehicle is same, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. But the distance covered by the vehicle is different. When there, this is, this is, it's not related directly. It is related to this topic, but I'm just want to use your common sense that when this can happen, when you increase the speed of the vehicle or when you decrease the speed of the vehicle. So please give the question. Speed is more. Very good, Shri Soni. Yes. When the speed increases or decreases? No, not when the speed increases or decreases. If the speed will be decreases, then it will take more time, isn't it? But time is fixed, 1 hour, but it is covering more distance. It means the speed of the vehicle is what? Increased. Yes. Wow, I got 920 subscriber. Very good. Mehal, make it 1,000 fast. Yes, make it 1,000. Of course, I'll be very happy because when you get the report card, and in that, when you get 100 upon 100, you feel very happy, no? So, same thing here also. When I get a subscriber, 1,000 upon 1,000 means 1,000 subscriber when I get it. So, of course, that time I'll feel very happy. Okay, because once I was also in student, so I know when you are getting good marks you feel very good. So here when I'm taking the class on YouTube channel, when I get the subscriber 1,000, I'll feel very happy. So you all are requested to make it 1,000. 920 you all have only done. I have not done anything. My work is to teach you, to give you best. Clear? Who all did this 920? You all have done. So I know you all only can make it 1,000. So thank you very much, Mehal. And you all are requested to make it 1,000 as early as possible. Okay. So this is about the non-uniform motion, and you all have given the correct answer. What is the correct answer? When the speed will increase, when the speed of the vehicle will increase, in the less time it will cover the more distance. Very nice. Okay. Now the next that I'm going to discuss, the next topic is average speed. What is average speed? For the average speed, you don't have to go in detail. Simply you have to follow the formula. Total distance covered by the body divided by total time taken by the body. Body means what? Vehicle can be, person can be. Okay. So average speed. Average speed will be equal to what? Total distance. In short form, we can write total distance covered. Total distance covered divided by total time taken. Total time taken. So this is your average speed. Just to follow this formula and you can solve the numericals very easily. Okay, when I'll solve the numericals with you, I know you will enjoy and you can use this formula there. Clear? So now, next topic that I'm going to discuss is the mass and weight. Clear? Mass and weight. So, what is mass and what is weight? You have studied what is mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body, and weight is what? The force through with which Earth attracts any body towards itself is called as a weight of the body. Okay. So, if mass of a body is 10 kg, then weight of the body will be what? The formula of weight of the body is m into g. M means 10. G means what? Gravity. Suppose the gravity is 10, then the weight will be what? 100 Newton, 100 kgf. Kgf also you can write, Newton also you can write, or Newton. Both you can write. Clear? Now the difference between the mass and the weight. So the first difference you will write as a definition, that the amount of matter contained in a body is called mass, and the force through with which Earth attracts any object towards itself is called as a weight. And the second one is that the SI unit of mass is kilogram and SI unit of weight is what? Kilogram force or Newton. Then the another one is that the weight of the mass of the body is constant quantity. Clear? 10 kg mass means everywhere it will be 10 kg. But what about the weight? The weight of the body is not constant. It varies from place to place. Like the when we talk about the gravity of moon, clear? Gravity on moon. Then the gravity on moon is 1/6 of the gravity of the Earth. Clear? So gravity of moon is 1/6 of the gravity of Earth. Clear? So weight will also be what? 1/6, because gravity is directly related to the what? Weight. More gravity, more weight. है ना? More gravity, more weight. So mass is a constant quantity, whereas weight is not the constant quantity. And then mass is measured by what? Mass is measured by the beam balance, whereas weight is measured by the spring balance. So these are the differences between the mass and weight. Cool. Now this topic, the types of motion, what is motion and the types of motion, I have discussed in this video. This topic is complete. Next video I'll discuss about the numericals. Okay. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you very much.